Good day subscriber, I'm Sean. This is the Fix My Home channel. Today I want to show you why the Jandy valve is keep turning. So as you see, this is the Jandy valve. So it's supposed to go only 90 and go back, but this particular one is keep turning. So I want to show you why it do that. So as you see this one, so it's only go 90, that's it. You cannot move anymore. So actually it's very simple. First of all, they told me we have to replace all the gasket, everything inside. So you don't need to replace the gasket as long as you don't have any leak. So for that problem, so you just turn the this nut out, and when you take the handle, you see here it was the stopper and it's broke. So you just need to replace the handle and that's it. Everything should work. Before you make the handle off, make sure you know the position of the handle. So the off, it was here, and main drain, it was that direct. So I know I have to put the handle back the same way. Alright, I put the handle back and it's not going more than 90 degrees. See, it's gonna stop here and stop here. So it was that easy. So make sure to subscribe my channel and smash the like button. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.